I just made over $267 within the last hour on a brand new affiliate marketing campaign to a new product that I found on Clickbank. So I thought it'd be a really good idea to record a video to show you how I did that. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Liam James Kay, and this channel is all about entrepreneurship, marketing and making money online. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications. Now, as I just said, I just set up a Clickbank campaign to a new product that I've not promoted before. And within the last hour, I've already generated over $267. So I'll show you on my computer, first of all, these earnings. So I've not been promoting any Clickbank offers recently, but I've saw an offer that I think might be quite good. Thought I would run a campaign for it, and it's already started getting conversions. So let me just show you the earnings here. So this is my Clickbank account, and as you can see, I've not been promoting anything. I've got some of these recurring commissions that are coming in from old products that I used to promote. But today here, Sunday, I've made $267 in commissions. This is from this new campaign that I've just set up. I'll just reload this page. So you can see there, $267 today. And I'll just prove to you that it was in the last hour that I've set this up, because if you look on my notifications here on my phone, I'll put this on the screen, but I've connected it to my affiliate tracker, and literally an hour ago, you can see it says your first conversion for this campaign that I've only just set up. So I thought it'd be a great video title to show you how I did that, but I also want to provide some value if you want to make money as well using Clickbank and affiliate marketing. So I'm kind of going to reverse engineer how I came to earning that money today, and you're going to find out how I did it in this video. So first of all, I'm not going to tell you the exact product that I'm promoting because it's got potential and I don't want everyone that watches this video just to copy me exactly, but I'll show you how I found that product and what you need to do if you want to do something similar. So first of all, finding the product is the most important thing. So people always say to me, well, Liam, you can be an affiliate for literally any product. I always say it on this channel, you can be an affiliate for almost any product out there. And people go, well, how do we know what to promote? If there's so many products to choose from, how do you know which ones to choose? And there's so many products on Clickbank as well. And they go, which one should I promote? Well, the first thing that you want to do, if you want to be successful with affiliate marketing and cut your learning curve in half, is promote a product which other people are already having success with. So the first thing you do, you want to come to Clickbank, which I'm assuming you've already got an account for, and you want to go to the marketplace inside of Clickbank. And basically, it's got all of the products in Clickbank that you can promote, and there's so many different ones to choose from in loads of different niches. Now, all we want to do is we want to find out what people are already having success with. And I've shown this on the channel before, but I'll show it again. You just want to choose gravity at the top, and basically it will organize all of these products which are currently doing the best on Clickbank. People are already promoting them. So what you've done there is you've cut out all of the options of all the different products, and you don't need to go out there and test and find some winning products. You're basically going to take a shortcut and choose one of these products that are on the first page, because they've all got a gravity of over 150, so there's a good chance that they will work well. And you've ruled out the chance that you're going to promote a product which doesn't sell. So we've kind of already got that point. So what you would do is you just choose one of these, and basically you can click the promote button here, and you can grab your affiliate link by adding in your affiliate username here and click generate hop links. So now you've got an idea of the product that you want to promote, but then, well, how do you promote it? There's so many different ways of promoting affiliate products. There's so many different ways of doing affiliate marketing. So what you should do with this is basically find the product on here that you think has got the most potential. You can do this with the various products and do a bit of research. You can choose a couple of them if you want to test out different ones. But let's say, for instance, we're going to go for this custom keto diet plan. Which is this one here. It's selling on Clickbank. It's one of the top offers. So what you would do is you would copy the URL to this offer, and then you want to go to similarweb.com/website/ the URL that you've just copied from that offer. And then what you can do is paste that in there, and SimilarWeb is basically a free tool which shows you the traffic that certain websites are getting. So this is going to show us where the clicks are coming from to this offer on Clickbank, and it gives us a good indication of the traffic that people are currently running. So what you could do is come on here, and we've searched it on here, and you scroll down, and it shows us all the traffic down here. It shows us the countries. So again, we can start narrowing it down, and we'll show you how we promote it in a moment. but you can start narrowing down, well, this is selling really well in the United States. So you're kind of ruling out, well, there's so many different countries and geos to promote, and you found a successful location to promote it in. Then what you need to do is scroll down here, and it will give us a breakdown of the traffic sources for this offer. And as you can see here, 45% of the traffic is direct, which may be like people promoting it to their email lists and that kind of thing. And 42% of the traffic is display traffic. So now we're starting to narrow down how people are having success. So we found a successful offer, which is obviously selling. And now we're starting to narrow down, well, how are these successful affiliates promoting this product? And we've narrowed it down to 2 options. So let's delve in more to this display option. So you scroll down basically on here, and it would give us a breakdown of the display advertising. So we can see that this is doing well on display. And display covers like the banner ads that you get on websites like Google ads, but it also covers native ads as well. And you can see here a breakdown, and it's got Clickbank here, so I'm not sure why that one's showing up. But it's giving us some other options of ad networks which people are currently running this offer on. So you can see here Taboola, which is a native ad network, but people are also running on Google Display Network, and that maybe is that pop push notifications or pop adverts, pop cash there, I don't know what that one is, and another one there. So now we're starting to narrow down the actual ad networks that these people are already having success with. So now we've got some elements already of what's already working. Now, if you've been following me, you'll know that I'm really focusing on native ads at the moment. I'm having a lot of success with it, and I'm making a lot of money. So that is the avenue that I went down to promote this product. But if you are starting out and you're not sure which way you want to go or which traffic source to go for, then coming to SimilarWeb is a good option because it will show you what people are already having success with. So for this one, Native is the one that I've chose because I've already got experience with that, and that's what I'm currently doing at the moment. And this just shows us that people are already promoting it on native ads, which Taboola is a native ad network. Just want to say, if you're serious about learning native ads and crushing it with native ads, make sure you watch the video until the end because I've got something important to announce. Now back to this. So you've kind of narrowed down some of the top traffic sources. In this example, we're going to choose native ads, but you could maybe choose one of the other ones. What we then need to do is find out how people are promoting this product on that traffic source. So what I do for this is the best way to do this is using a tool called a spy tool, an affiliate spy tool. I'm currently using this one here, Adplexity. I also have used Anstrex, which I've spoken about on my channel before. They're both very similar. You can find links to them in the description. Adplexity is a little bit more expensive, but it is a lot more advanced, I have found, from playing with both of the tools. So basically what Adplexity allows us to do, it allows us to spy on people running adverts on certain types of traffic. So for example, you can see here with Adplexity, we can search and spy on people that are running mobile ads. We can spy on people that are running desktop ads, people that are running native, push, e-commerce adverts, and some other things as well. So if you've narrowed it down from looking at SimilarWeb, the type of traffic source, now we want to delve a little bit deeper, and SimilarWeb hasn't got those advanced features, so we would need to use this. So we would go to Adplexity Native if we want to go on the native route. And basically you can sign up, and I'm just going to log into my account here. So this is what Adplexity looks inside, and basically what it does is it scrapes all of the adverts on, in this case, on native ad networks. It'll scrape a lot of those adverts and basically puts them into a database so we can look at what's working well and what people are already running. So in this instance, we want to promote a product on Clickbank. We found a successful product on Clickbank, and we've found that it's working well on native ads. So we come here, and what you can do is you can search by lots of different things on the left hand side, but we're going to come down here and go to Clickbank, and basically it will show us all of the adverts which are promoting Clickbank offers. So we can see what adverts people are currently running to those Clickbank offers that we found earlier at the top of Clickbank. And you can do a little bit of searching. You can search keywords here if you want to search a specific offer that you found on Clickbank, like the keto one, or you can basically organize it for products which have been running for a certain amount of days on here. So if they've been running a long time, they're probably successful adverts. And we can kind of have a little scroll here. And the whole point of this is we want to kind of copy what's already working. And when I say copy, I don't mean literally just rip exactly what's working and duplicate it, because people do that, people teach that, and it can work, but I think it's always good just to use it for inspiration and add your own spin onto things, because you've got a much higher chance of being successful. But this kind of research that we're doing is going to cut the learning curve in half. It's going to show us what's already working for that product, so then we can kind of model that and kind of run our own spin on it. So here we can see that, say for instance, this here is a Clickbank offer: chiropractors baffled, simple stretch relieves years of pain, back pain, watch. And we can click on this and see the types of images which are working well. So if we chose a offer on Clickbank, which was this video training thing which shows you some stretches for back pain, we could now go, well, adverts which are working well for this are people stretching. So then what you could do is go and find some images, some alternative images, or you could rip these images of people doing stretches because they seem to work well for this product. You can also use it for inspiration on the headlines as well, if you want to come up with a headline that's quite similar, which works well. What we can also do as well, see the landing pages that these people are running to this offer. So you click on this here, and again, it will just give us an indication of what kind of landing pages are working well. And if someone clicks on this, it will lead through to the Clickbank offer. So you could rip this, or you could go and rebuild this yourself in a landing page software and kind of do it in a similar way. So what we're learning from this is that a very basic landing page that almost looks a little bit like a blog post is working well, because it's going to be appearing on news websites, and basically we want them to click the button to go through to the Clickbank offer. So then you could use that as inspiration and create a very similar kind of landing page yourself. And then what you could do is come back to Adplexity, and you can actually see the traffic, the ad networks where they're running this. So this is running on Outbrain. So you could see whether that is matching up what you found on SimilarWeb, or maybe you want to run it directly on Outbrain. So hopefully what you can see from this is that we start to build out a very clear idea of what's already working for other people. And I think this is really important, because when you start affiliate marketing, because there is so many products to promote, there's so many traffic sources, there's so many adverts, so many different ways of doing it, it's always good to have an insight of what's already working for other people, and then you can kind of model your campaign on that. Because you can obviously be successful by going to find a brand new product which has only just launched today, and you could go and create your own adverts and your own images and your own landing pages, which is nothing like what anyone else has done, which could work really well, but it's very risky, especially at the start. So what I did for this offer, which I currently got these commissions for today, is do something very similar to what I've just explained there. I spied on what other people were doing. I then took what they were doing and kind of changed it a little bit to kind of put my own unique spin on it. I then went and set up the campaigns using a native ad network and basically run that advert, and I've started to get commissions coming in. So hopefully this video is helpful if you are looking to get into affiliate marketing, or you want to start promoting products on Clickbank and you just don't know where to start. Now I understand that there's obviously a lot more things to it with the way that we target certain placements and the way that you actually set things up, but I didn't want this video to be a full 3-hour-long tutorial, because it's impossible to kind of cram all of that information into an interesting, quick YouTube video. But I just wanted to give you an insight into how you should approach promoting products on Clickbank, kind of reverse engineer how the successful people are currently running them. Now, I mentioned that if you want to learn more about native ads, I actually have just launched to a very small group of people, invite only, a coaching program where I'm coaching people how to crush it with native adverts. Now, it might be open by the time you're watching this video. There might be a wait list, I'm not sure, but what you could do is click on the link below this video. I will have a link there, and I can let you know more information about that if you do want to crush it with native ads. Now, this is going to be for really serious people, because it is going to involve coaching from me and me actually spending my time working with the students. And it is also going to require you to have an ad budget to run the adverts as well, so you can put what I'm teaching you into practice. So this is not for beginners. If you're just starting out, then this is not for you. There's no point in clicking on the link. But if you have got a budget and you want to go deeper into running native ads at scale like I'm currently having success with, then you can click the button below and find out more information down there. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found it valuable. Whether you want to go into native ads or any other kind of affiliate marketing, hopefully it gives you an insight of how you can get started. Thank you for watching, and if you've got any questions, then just leave them in the comments box below. I will answer them all. Thanks a lot. Cheers, guys.